Right, oh my god.
Oh, this is sick.
Okay, so
Look, tip.
my phone is taped to the front of my bike, so you'll be seeing all the riding.
Oh, this is sick. I thought it just fell out then. I was like, oh gosh.
If it did.
Is it? Are we recording?
Yeah.
Alright, what's up,
I
guys?
just did this to Freya with like that trick.
Let's
go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Hopefully you like this new camera.
Oh, I like it.
I like that.
I like my bike.
I don't like you.
Oh, this is sick now.
After can I ride on your
Yeah.
I wish you could.
Alright guys, naturally don't do wheelies though, because it might
I would do
fall. Guys, there's a car behind you.
Yeah.
That car was in front of everyone. Oh yeah, when I don't know who you are. Alright guys, I'm actually going to watch this when I get home. Because I like watching commentary bike.
Comment if you like the triangle.
Yeah,
And it
this
was
like,
my idea, by the way, guys.
yeah, it was Alfie's idea.
My grandma.
Oh, oh. We gonna go to hell. Hey, hey. Alright guys, we're going left.
Wait, when we get
Went
to my
home.
new car. Down really well.
Luke, you're supposed to surf on your seat.
Right, so guys,
Oh, Alfie, that one's a bit much.
All our fans are savages. Savage.
Especially Rainbow Jukebox. If Rainbow Jukebox is watching this,
Will, you're a savage.
is it Will?
Yeah, William's Rainbow Jukebox.
oh,
Shout out
is
to
it?
Rainbow Jukebox.
Shout out to Will.
Go subscribe to Rainbow Jukebox.
Yeah, he don't make content though.
Does he not?
You'll just be able to watch the videos that he
But I'm
watches.
sure he'll love it if you give him support.
He would. That would be really nice.
Ready?
Guys.
I don't know. I was going to shout out Toby Matson, but he copied us. He copied our name. What did he put? He just put his name and swaps at the end.
And was swearing.
Yeah, and he's a bad YouTuber.
Wait, is that what he
And
did? Did he
swears,
put?
no, he put Toby Matson. If you're aiming for a child friendly channel.
Yeah, if you're aiming for a child-friendly channel like us,
Well, we're not like child friendly, but we don't sweat, so.
yeah, and we are childs. So.
Wear like headphones. My 3-year-old was watching. My 3-year-old. When I said my 3-year-old, it sounded like you don't have to wear headphones to hide it from like parents.
Yeah, alright, so guys, Alfie's gonna.
Speakers.
Yeah.
If I were in my garden,
Alright, so
how
Alfie's
many
going on the
videos are
bike
we
now.
doing today?
3. This is our last
Yeah,
one.
this is our third.
I just gave you this.
Right, so guys.
You gotta remember how much editing I have to do.
Not a lot. It
Because
takes like 3
the
seconds.
videos are only like 5 minutes,
No, it's
but
just-
we've been out for like an hour.
Sorry, Billy, I didn't mean to.
I don't have to
Right,
do
so
all
guys,
of
this-
but I've got to upload
this is
all
me.
the 3 videos.
This is me.
Billy's just going off about some random stuff.
Yeah.
I think we're gonna do the exact same, well not the exact same, but like a bit of the same vlog tomorrow, aren't we, John? Do you know soon it'll be illegal to wear,
Oh yeah, guys, but you didn't know.
to not wear a helmet? Soon,
If you
soon,
didn't know,
yeah.
guys,
Oh, okay, well.
this is our Tuesday was our last day of school.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
After 3.
We're free. Yeah, that's why it's quite hot.
3 for 6 weeks.
Yeah, 6 weeks. It doesn't feel like, because like, I was really excited last year. I think I just did. Wait, that wasn't even our school though, so
Yeah.
it doesn't even matter.
I said don't show that.
Yeah, because that's our friend's school. That's Toby Max's school. Whoa. I don't want to crash because if I crash, the phone might fall off. Hopefully they like this style of vlog where we're not like holding it and it's just on like GoPro.
Which, turn this way. Or this way.
I'm not bothered.
Yeah, what's that?
You know when the true friends when they look at you, not the camera.
That's like a really bad. Like it just gets boring. Like Jake Paul transition. Can I speak to you?
Oh, good.
Guys,
Is that? No, it's not. No, we need to go fast. No, let's go. Let's do it. That's normal.
should have raced him.
Yeah, that was Toby's dad's car. Luke, I'm recording you, so if you want to say anything. Do you want to say anything, Luke?
Yeah, that's my mom. Yeah, that's my pa.
Shall we go like near Summer Gang? You know what I mean?
I lived at Summergate.
Yeah.
I used to.
We're just pretending we're motorbikes, so we need to go. Wait, Billy, have you still got the thing? But Billy, I'd do it on the left brake so you can brake on the right. I'm just covering it. Is that
inside? Yeah,
Let's go.
Can you? Yeah, but there's no food. But you're allowed inside. You're allowed inside. Right, shout out to the new co-op.
Yeah.
Toby raised loads of money.
Yeah, I think that's where Lewis was going. Well, they're not raising money, they're keeping it to themselves. So that's where we're going to the new co-op. I think Tom just shouted, I'm not sure. If anyone can guess the time right now, put in the comments what time it is right now. Wait, where's Tom?
Wait, can you show him around? No.
Nah. Yeah, we will do it in our next vlog. Oh, shall we do a night vlog tonight?
Oh, yeah. Since we're playing out till like half an hour.
We'll do a night vlog tonight.
Right, wait, can we delete one of the vlogs then?
Not this one.
Actually,
though, 'cause
no.
this is a good one. No, we don't have to.
Actually, I don't
It
mind.
doesn't take long to.
It's
What's it
fine.
called?
On this vlog and the night, can we do the cuts?
Yeah. There's no cut on this vlog anyway.
I've already uploaded 2 videos with cuts. Well, not uploaded, but like started.
What is it? Are you even allowed in? Are you actually? Are you sure you're allowed in? Right, so basically we just went into a construction site and everyone's giving us dirty looks in the cars. I know you're probably not allowed to sit down here, but I'm.
Wait, you're allowed to?
Don't know, don't care. Don't know, don't care, because I'm a sage. We're not even allowed down this road. You can tell we're not allowed down this road. We're savages. You're not allowed down that road, that path. Oh, it says footpath closed. It says, look, that's how savage we are. Footpath closed. Footpath closed. And we went right through it like a savage.
Right, Tom.
Yeah.
You know that kid?
Yeah.
Sorry, Josh, sorry. Alfie, do you have any money spare on you? We could go to Royal Time and get like some.
Everybody's closed.
How much does that like cost?
Dinner. Whoa, look at this bike. Children's up.
Yeah. What you?
I had a good children's at in, but I play out instead of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. By the way, you're wondering why I was trying to record them a lot. It's because they're proper tramps. They're like known for tramps in the village, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna go down this cab, so if you fall off it, I can fall.
Ready? This is our fabric.
What did you do? Can you do non-handed yet, Luke? You need to keep pedaling whilst you're doing non-handed.
Wait, should we go to that street? That's an alleyway.
An alleyway. Oh yeah.
Wait, Luke. We're going for an alleyway.
Follow Josh. Follow Danny.
I literally lived in this house a little bit.
Did that?
Yeah, honestly. I used to go to my grandma's and just sit in it all day. It was sweet. Luke, is this the alleyway?
Yeah. Is this it?
Is it left? If you take to be left, you are.
No. Your bike sounds weird, Libby. Your bike sounds weird.
Do you like anywhere else?
Why does your bike sound like that?
I think it's a rim. They're sweet mud guards.
Look at this car. I think that's made in like 1994.
I like the bonnet. Look at that.
Whoa.
Look at the lift.
And there's cushions in the back. That was
It's a nice car now. It's not even. Look at the spoiler. That's not even an olden days car.
nice. 13 minutes.
13. Shall we stop?
Yeah. Alright, everybody.
Right.
I know everyone, we need to all get out of place. I'm just going to balance the bike up somewhere. Please say this worked, guys.
Oh, we're just parking our bikes.
Right.
Right. Wait. So guys, this is the end of the video. For watching. If you've watched this long, if you've been watching this long, you're a savage. So, peace out. See ya in the next vid.
See you in the next vid. That'll be tonight.
Yeah, tonight. That's tonight,
Stay
guys.
tuned.